Hi everyone, welcome to Family Computer Center. We are going to see how we can use if or inside your Excel. So in this given workbook, we have to display a remark here. And the given condition is if the student satisfies any of the condition, that is if the total is above 100 or days present is about 200. If any one of the condition is satisfied, we will be promoting him to the next class. If both the conditions are not satisfied, he will not be promoted. In the previous case, what we discussed was both the conditions should be satisfied. Then only the student will get a grade. But in this case, we are going to say if any one of the condition is satisfied, then we will give him promotion. Otherwise, no promotion. So to check any one of the condition, we are going to write an or inside your logical if. So we click inside the J2 because we need the remarks in J2. Then we go to the formulas tab. We have the logical if. We start with an or, bracket open. Our first condition is total mark must be above 100. That is F2 greater equals 100. Keep a comma to separate your next checking. That is G2 greater than or equal to 200. We close the bracket. If any one of this condition is satisfied, we will promote the student. So I write promoted. Otherwise, not promoted. Click OK. I'm going to copy the formula so that you can see there is only one student who is not promoted because he could not satisfy both the conditions, any of the condition. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe our channel for more notification.